how to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. So the first thing you want to do is go to the TikTok login page. After that, tap on use phone/email/username. Over here, tap on the question mark in the top right corner. Then select report a problem and click on recover account. After that, you'll see 4 different methods to recover your account. If you have a TikTok username, then enter your username. Then tap next and wait for it to load. If the email associated with your account is shown, tap it and check the inbox. If you don't have access to that email, tap on need help and explain your situation. After that, provide details like your old email or phone number to prove ownership of the account and include a new email for future contact. Finally, tap submit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.